Friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. And this is your Walgreens preview for the week of April the 30th to May the 6th. Another fabulous week over at Walgreens. You're not going to want to miss this week. Please treat this video as a preview on Sunday morning when we get to see the full details of the flyer along with the digital coupons. We'll have a better grasp of the deals. As this is a new month, we're going to have new IVCs and new monthly promotions. We also have these two stacking starting on Sunday the 30th, which is a spend 40, get back 20, and then spend 30 on allergy, get back 10. So in theory, that is to spend $40 and get $30 back. That is sensational. And yes, we have a deal in this video for this. If you could do me a huge kindness and like this video, it would really help me out. So if you could take a quick second right now and love this video, I would be so grateful. Okay, so the first deal of the week that we're going to look at is the Olay Old Spice at $7, $4 reward when you buy 2, and then an up to 5 coupon. So that's usually a 5 off of 3. This promotion is over starting on the 29th, so we're not going to be able to factor that in, just to throw that on the table. IBOTTA right now has a $2 rebate. However, if that's gone on Sunday morning, it's going to be a different deal. So definitely double, triple check that your IBOTTA rebate is there on Sunday morning. I'm grabbing 3 of these for $21, subtracting the digital, and it's always a 5 off of 3. You're going to pay $16, get back a $4 register reward. For the promotion, buy 2, get a $4 register reward. $6 back from IBOTTA. Definitely scan each body wash and check that the rebate is there. The final price point is 6 for 3 or $2 per Olay. And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. Okay, the next deal that we're going to look at are the $5 Pantenes. And it says up to 5, but typically it's a 5 off of 3 with Pantene. So we're going to grab 3 of those, and it's a $4 reward when you buy 2 as well. Grabbing 3 of these, that's $15 on the nose. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $10, get back a $4 register reward, making it $6 for the 3 or $2 per Pantene. Sunday will be the day that we'll know the fine print of the digital coupon. So we'll just have to wait and see, but still a very good deal. This promotion is back 4 for $9 on the Bounce Downy Tide Simply Laundry Care products. If you had one of these coupons from last month, let's throw it into the mix. And it was working on Gain last week for me, so it should work for you as well. Grabbing 4 of the Tide Simplies, that's $9. Subtracting that $4 P&G coupon and throw in $5 in Walgreens cash. You're just paying tax. I think this is a super smart deal, especially if you're a newer couponer trying to build up your stockpile. The Bounce dryer sheets are really fantastic that are always part of this, or the Downy fabric softener. You can mix and match. What a smart deal. Now, 5 off the 1-a-day vitamin supplements and then a $4 digital coupon. I was looking for the 200 count, which I think is pictured here. It would drop it down to $8.99 with the 2 promotions. You tell me if that's a good deal. This one is fantastic. $4.99 for the Toms of Maine deodorant, $3 in Walgreens cash when you buy 1, and we have a $1 digital coupon starting on Sunday. Grabbing 1 of these for $4.99, subtracting that digital, you're paying $3.99, getting back $3 in Walgreens cash, making this deodorant 99 cents. I think at most stores this deodorant is upwards of like usually $5, $5-6. Really good deal. Let's throw in a quick little curveball and look at these 2 boosters and stack them. We have to do this deal on Sunday because it's the 30th where the allergy one is activated as part of the new monthly deal. And it is a year mileage may vary also if you have these boosters as well. It's kind of like the lottery, what you get and don't get. The first item that we're going to grab is a $38 CLARITIN. So to get to that $30 threshold, I have blown through the ceiling. So why I grabbed this one is because I think if you grab the smaller CLARITINs on a BOGO 50% off, it's like $29.97. So you're 3 cents short. So meh. We have a $10 digital. If you want to go the other way and then just find something else cheaper, go for it. But I'm just trying to think of this the easiest way to explain it. Load this $10 digital for the CLARITIN. And then we're also going to grab one of the Toms of Maine to get us right to that $40 mark. There's also a $1 digital coupon, so load that as well. Okay, friends, one of those Claritin 70 count for $38.99, one Tom's of Maine for $4.99 for a grand total of $43.98. Have both of your boosters loaded, 20 back when you spend 40, 10 back when you spend 30. If you loaded your boosters and you're like, I can't find them, go to your clipped folder. It should be the bottom right-hand corner. It'll just say clipped coupons in your digital folder for coupons. Go look there, pretty easy. $11 is also coming off for 10 for Claritin and $1 for Tom's of Maine. With your debit card, pay $32.98 and get back $33 in Walgreens cash, making this free. Remember not to use any store register rewards, Walgreens cash, or IVC coupons with. Okay, guys, now we have the paper deal of the week, in my humble opinion. Cottonelle Kleenex Viva paper towel for $4.99. I kind of need Kleenex in my stockpile. This allergy season has really just kicked me hard. So definitely going to be loading up on those. Two of the Kleenexes should be $9.98. Throw in a little 33-cent candy. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash or register rewards if you have it. Do a combination. Photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app because Kleenex is part of their catalog of rebates. And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use your Walgreens cash. Spend it. I just think this is a super smart deal to stock up on paper products. And this is one item I really haven't been stocking up on. So I don't know. I've been asleep at the wheel for this. As I was looking at some of the new IVC coupons, guys, which are the Walgreens coupons, because it says $2 off with my Walgreens, so thus you know that's an IVC coupon, which stands for Instant Value Coupon. I was just looking at some of the products it's attaching with, and there's a Lubriderm for $3.99 in my area, so I don't know if it's like all stores, but this lotion is usually like $10. So with the IVC, it would be $1.99. That's a really good deal for Lubriderm, especially if you use it. Last couple Saturdays over at Walgreens, it's been like start the car clearance craziness. I wonder if some of this air care is going to hit 90 tomorrow. Definitely worth a price check if you're moonwalking down this aisle tomorrow, because it seems like on Saturday it's like 90%. This would be 29 cents. We'll have to wait and see. I don't have the clearance schedule, not yet. But yeah, a lot of Renewsit cones 50% off. Now let's talk about some quick honorable mentions. The first one, again, I need to see the fine print of the flyer because I'm kind of like looking at stuff but really not looking at it. $5 reward probably when you buy two. So if we bought Sharpies or markers at $2.49 a pop, that would make them freebies. So we're going to have to wait and see what is and is not included with this promotion. The Dollar Shave Club, $6.99 off of two. That's a very generous coupon. As we are in a new month, the promotions from last month don't come over on Sunday. So we're going to have to wait and see what this is all about. Getting closer to Father's Day, they tend to throw a bit more high-value shaving coupons. So just be on the lookout for that. That's why we're seeing so many. And then with the new month with P&G, what kind of digital coupons will we be getting for both Gillette and Venus? Well, that's the question. But the $8 reward when you buy two is in fact still there. So we'll have to wait and see how that one plays out. It might be absolutely terrific. Start the car moment. It might not be because we need something better than a $2 coupon. If you use Sensodyne, $7 a pop and then $4 reward when you buy two, making it $10 for the two. I know Sensodyne is super uber expensive. Walgreens cash and call it a deal. I don't know. You tell me. $1.78 for the Magic Trail Mix. Before I was pre-diabetic, I used to eat a lot of this stuff. It's just fantastic. And the M&Ms in this, I don't know. It's a little different. This is just like the most perfect snack. $1.78, great price point. And then this, unless there's a really good IBOTTA rebate, I'm not paying like $1.66 per tube of toothpaste. So this is a hard pass because we like to get toothpaste for free on this YouTube channel. So I'm just pointing it out. This isn't a deal, no deal. And then we have a buy two, get one for free on the various Coca-Cola products, BOGO free on the Ice Mountain, 3 for $33 for the sparkling ice, just a whole bunch of different beverages. If you need to load up, stock up, this might be your moment. And then the final thing, $5 Walgreens gift card when you buy, it's usually two of these $25 Panera IHOP gift cards. And that is it for this video. As always, Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope this video was helpful. And again, on Sunday, we'll have all of the details with the digital coupons and the fine print of the flyer once it's like published formally. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.